Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for the Emirates NBD bank. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you won't miss any of our videos. So without any delay, let's get the video started. First thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL emiratesnbd.com. Once you get into the website, click on the little icon at the top right. And after that, click on online banking. Once you do that, you'll be forwarded to this website and scroll down and click on register for online or mobile banking. And then click on register. Then you can choose to register with your account or with your credit card. I'm gonna choose account here. After that, you'll have to enter some of your information here. So first thing you need to do is enter your account number. Once you enter your account number, enter your ATM card or debit card number. After you enter your information, you need to select the captcha here. It says the world, so click on the world. You may find different options, but you need to choose the one it says. Once you fill in all your information, click on continue in order to head to further processes. And then you'll have to enter your other information, and once you do that, your account will be created. So there you have it. That's how you sign up for the Emirates NBD bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.